Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a jersey sleeve pattern. So for this pattern you're going to need the jersey top pattern, and I'll link my tutorial for that down below. To start, you're going to want to draw a straight line down your page and then mark in a starting point. So mark this point as 0. So on the bodice pattern, you're going to measure the distance from 0 to 3 and then divide it in half and add 1 centimetre. So now take that measurement and measure from 0 on the sleeve pattern and measure down and mark in a new point labelled 1. So from 0 you're going to measure down the sleeve length and then add an extra 3 centimetres and mark this point as 2. So using your ruler, you're going to draw a straight line out from 2. So going back to the top pattern, you're going to measure the distance from 11 to 12 in a straight line, and then you're going to add another 2 centimetres to that measurement. So going back to the sleeve pattern, just go ahead and draw a straight line out from 1. Then going back to 0, you're going to measure down that line out from 1 and use the measurement that you got from the top and then mark this point as 3. So from 3 you're going to draw a straight line down your page and then mark in 4 on the line that you've drawn out from 2. So join points 0 and 3 together, and then you're going to get 1/3 of the distance between them and then mark this point as 5. So now we're going to draw in the sleeve head. So to do this you're going to need to hollow out the line from 3 to 5 and do this by 0.6 centimetres and then draw in the curve with a curved ruler. So now you need to raise the line from 0 to 5 by 1.75 centimetres and then again draw this curve in with your ruler. So lastly we need to shape the sleeve. So at 4 you're going to measure 1/3 of the distance from 4 to 2 and then mark this point as 6. So using your ruler you're going to join points 6 and 3 together. So now you can add all the information to your pattern. So from here then you could turn this pattern into a solid block or that you could use multiple times, or you can simply just add your seam allowance and then get to work making your jersey top. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button as it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more pattern videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.